Good night, everyone. My name is Luis Angel Real, and today I'm gonna talk about a video conference. The title of this conference is From Landscape Architecture to Conservation Agriculture. This conference is given by Thomas Walls, who is an architect that are trying to do different kind of environmental themes. Well, the conference was introduced talking about how the agriculture produce a lot of pollution, and this one affect not only humans. Uh, mm, this affects plants and animals. Well, Thomas talked about a very interesting phrase that mentioned how the way we feed ourselves can end up killing us. And if we start to think about this one is really true, because nowadays the agriculture is not practicing in the way this should be practiced, because this one create a lot of pollution and affect us. Well, Thomas talked about different studios and investigation that he made, and the first one was that he made with a group of scientists, biologists, and other environmental professionals in a farm. In this farm, they start to think about different way to create a good biodiversity to some species of plants and animals, and also to practice agriculture in the way that we not affect these animals and plants. And in the second studios that he made, it was a bigger project, was in Mahori, New Zealand. Well, in this project, he made at the same in the same way a group of scientists that helping him to create a good biodiversity and to practice a good agriculture. In this time was citrus, but his main objective in this case was to try to conserve a habitat for endemic species of birds and also a very important species of animals. The name of this animal is Tuatara. This animals is a very primitive animals. The family of this is it's known as a dinosaur family, so it's a very important animal that have been a lot of risk to extinct, and they try to conserve this habitat in different ways to try create some investment that help that some the predator don't affect these animals, and they really achieve their goals because in 12 years that took to make this project they could see 62 tuataras. So he can end up that he really achieved his goal with whole her group and create a good biodiversity. But not only that, because he really start to practice in a good way the agriculture that he was trying to mention. So thank you about your attention, and that's all.